Hello guys. Welcome to WhatVwant, a technology vlog.
In this tutorial, I'm going to show you most useful Opera keyboard shortcuts. For more information, visit our article. Link provided in the description. If you are new to our channel, click on the red color subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Without any delay, let's get started. Here are the Opera keyboard shortcuts and its action. Home, go to top. End, go to down. Enter, activate. Escape, exit context. Shift plus F10, display context. Control or Command plus S, save the page. Control or Command plus F, find a word or phrase on the page. Control or Command plus R, reload the page. Control or Command plus T, open a new tab. Control or Command plus W, close the current tab. Control or Command plus Shift plus, reopen the last closed tab. Control or Command plus H, open the history. Control or Command plus Shift plus Tab, cycle backward through open tabs. Control or Command plus Shift plus N, open a private window. Up arrow, move one line up. Down arrow, move one line down. Right arrow, move one character to the right. Left arrow, move one character to the left. Shift plus space, move one screen full down. Space, move one screen full down. Control or Command plus page up, move one screen full left. Control or Command plus page down, move one screen full right. Control or Command plus Z, undo recent changes. Control or Command plus Y, redo recent changes. Control or Command plus C, copy selection to clipboard. Control or Command plus X, move selection to clipboard. Control or Command plus V, paste from clipboard. Control or Command plus A, select all. Delete selection. Control or Command plus space, go to homepage. Hope you like this tutorial. For more information, visit our article. Link provided in the description. Subscribe to our channel for regular updates. And don't forget to hit the bell icon.